Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Armorsuit screen protector for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And honestly, they make these for a ton of devices, so if you have an iPhone, you can get one for that too. And they will also be having a new version for the S23 series. It is available for pre-order on their website. It's not available on Amazon just quite yet, but I did see it on their website the other day. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this on Amazon myself, and it was the first time trying any of their products. And I have to say, so far, I'm very impressed. This is made in the USA, right there. And it has a lifetime warranty. And the way their lifetime warranty works is you go online and you register it. And you get a lifetime warranty. And the only thing they charge is like $249 or $295 or something like that for shipping for the replacement. And on these screen protectors, it looks like it is unlimited replacements. I haven't had to use it yet. I think on their glass ones it's a one-time, but any of their films and like matte screen protectors and stuff like that, I believe, based on reading their warranty, it looks to be a lifetime replacement thing, and that includes installation errors, accidental damage. It gets worn out, it gets scratched, it bubbles, it peels off the corner, you knock it off the corner, it doesn't matter, they will take care of you. Again, all that is based on reading their warranty page. I have not had any experience having to use the warranty, so the process I can't comment on that, or how easy it is, if they make you jump through hoops or anything like that. But based on reading their page, it doesn't look like they're going to. This screen protector for a 2-pack and the installation kit is like $11.50. So even without the warranty, it's still a great deal because you get two. You get the installation solution. This is a wet install screen protector, so you have to spray the solution on the screen protector on your fingers and stuff like that, and then you're able to slide it around and place it and squeegee the liquid out, and that's what adheres the screen protector to the phone. Really liking the matte screen protector. It cuts down on fingerprints. It still smudges a little bit, but it's a lot easier to wipe off, and it's not as noticeable on fingerprints and stuff like that. But that's what it looks like. It feels really good. If you have an S Pen on your S23 or S22 Ultra, it's a paper-like writing feel, so very, very nice. I did order some extra S Pen tips. I don't have them with me right now, but I did order some extra S Pen tips so I can change the feel, because they have different feels for the S Pen, and it makes it a little bit better on writing on matte screen protectors. So that is the Armorsuit screen protector. I will leave the link down in the description to the Amazon page. And that's going to be for the S22 Ultra, and then check later if you are purchasing an S23 Ultra, because they should be out here shortly. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.